Hello there, it's Food and Lifestyle O'Clock with Ugochy. Today I'll be showing you how I made this quick fix yummy jollof spaghetti for my family. Ooh la la! I actually made use of the leftover stew in the fridge amongst other ingredients that were handy. The list of ingredients have been displayed on your screen as well as the description box. Kindly check them out and let's get cooking. Put a pot on fire and heat it up. When it's hot enough, pour some vegetable oil, allow that to heat up. Next, put the onion, garlic and ginger, stir and allow to fry for a bit. Go in with the blended pepper and tomato mix, stir and allow to cook. At some point, you may have to cover this and keep checking on it, then stirring from time to time, ensuring that it is well cooked. Next, you go in with your stew. Give that a very good mix and allow to cook. You come back and give it another good stir. As you can see that it's cooked now. Next, you go in with your sausage and your meat. Then the blend of sesame oil, soy sauce and oyster sauce. Give that a good stir to ensure that it is properly mixed. Then you add your seasoning cubes, your salt, your curry and your thyme and stir properly, ensuring that it is well combined. After which, you go in with your spaghetti and mix it thoroughly with the sauce. When you're done mixing, you cover the pot and allow it to steam for some minutes. When you check on it, the last thing you would add are the vegetables and then you combine that properly. When it's well combined, you would leave that to steam for about 1 minute because the vegetables we don't need them to be too soft, yes. And voila, our quick fix yummy jollof spaghetti is ready. This recipe is giving, like it is giving. I'm serious, I'm not even joking, it is giving. Try it and let me know the outcome actually. So are you going to try this recipe? Please let me know in the comment section. And as usual, it's Food and Lifestyle. We will be bringing you more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.